Alright, welcome back to the channel. We are working on the Chevy again, and I'm trying to route the fuel line and put in the fuel pump and pressure regulator. So, a little bit of a challenge, but we'll make it work. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Okay, so if you look inside, there's no threads on this Holley pressure regulator. So that makes it a little difficult. Let's see if I can get it kind of started outside of the bracket. This is dumb. Alright, there's one kind of started. Let's see if I can get this other one in. Alright, I think I got it started a little bit, so I can actually get this thing in there. This is a very odd design. There we go. Probably couldn't see much, but that was a pain. Alright. Pressure regulator is installed. Alright. Proof of concept here. Now, get to install the bracket. Spray some WD-40 down. Alright, I'm going to put some tape, some Teflon tape on that before I cinch it down. Just for added sealability. I don't think I need to because these are tapered fittings, but I'm going to. Just a couple rolls, wraps, I mean. Alright, fuel filter is installed. I just gotta put some thread tape on this one, and then we're pretty good on this side. Okay, now I've got my hose to the engine marked, braided line. I'm just gonna cut. I've wrapped some painter's tape around it so that it hopefully won't fray. Alright, now I can pull this through and put on the AN fitting on this one. Okay, now all I have to do is install the return line, which I'll set that up, and then I'll cut a hose to length. And so I'm gonna just do a 180 back over here, and then future state I'm gonna use that side to an auxiliary tank, but I'll just seal it off for now. Alright, that completes the fuel system. So we got the filler, which I need to support. I capped off the aux tank inlet. Got hose clamps on all the exits and return lines and fittings to the fuel pump, to the pressure regulator, and then it follows the frame all the way up to another AN fitting right there, and then a pressure fuel pressure gauge. So yeah, feels good to get that done. All I need to do now is wire it up, and then maybe I'll do that, and then fire up the engine in the next episode. All right, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.